Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Alright. Wish I could bring you a video in under better circumstances. However, I had another little generator I wanted to make a tri-fuel out of, right? You know, like we did the other one. And if you haven't watched that, you can go back and watch that. But I got another carburetor from China, of course. Alright. I wish I had a better place to put it. Let's bring you up there. Maybe that'll work. Let's see. Alright, anyway. Let's shut that radio down. Alright, well, they sure do like their plastic. They put that in there. This plastic. So what I done did, I went out on the lathe and turned one out of brass for that there, right there. Alright, we're not ready to put it in yet into there because we still have to make our appropriate sized holes, okay, in that there valve. Yeah. Hey. Turned out real good though. Yeah. Little lathe works real well. Alright. Then I noticed down here on the bottom there they had this little janky valve right here, and they had a hose. Well, let's fish it out for you. They had this little plastic line running from that little janky valve down to the bottom of the bowl. Alright, if that whole line gets a crack in it over time, which we know they all will, then all your fuel leaks out. Yeah, unless you shut it off. But nevertheless, that little connection doesn't need to be made at all. It's janky. So I'm going to cut this off, and I'm going to make it like, you know, the stock carburetor. I'm going to thread that and put a screw in there, plug it, you know. That way, all you got to do to make sure you don't have fuel in it is start it up, shut your fuel off, and let it run till it dies. And yeah. Alright. Then, in the mess, that was missing. Yeah. It wasn't missing, it was busted. Yeah. Yeah, it's busted in pieces. And that's the actual throttle butterfly valve. Yeah, so, pardon me, guys. Pardon me, but here it is. I'm piecing it back together so I can at least get an idea. But yeah, we're gonna do another tri-fuel, guys. This time we're gonna do it on a smaller Jenny. It's gonna be on a GX 160 based engine, and you gotta see this. You've gotta see this. Gotta see this, guys. Let me pull this hose off here so you can actually get a real good view of what we're looking at here. Yeah. Designed in Japan. Wow. Instead of saying made in China, now they're saying designed in Japan. Oh yeah. That means designed by Honda, copied by Chinese guys. It's just a play on words. Designed in Japan. Alright, so anyway, it doesn't matter where it's designed. We're redesigning it. Yeah, so we'll bring you back when we got more, but that's what we're doing, guys. Revamping this before we do anything with it. At least this one does have an aluminum primer button. Yeah, and they did put a brass fitting here. So we're gonna use our redesigned parts. We're gonna make this right, because this is janky. Yeah, that's not gonna stand up to hot and cold weather or anything else. So yeah, I made one out of brass so that we could actually withstand a little bit of weather. Alright, and I noticed they use the same mold. It says on and off. These aren't drilled or tapped. They use the same mold for a regular carb or one that's designed for the tri-fuel. But anyway, that's what we're doing. Thought I'd bring you along for a little adventure. Alright, so next step is to we'll finish making all the parts for this that we need, and next step is fit it together. Yep, and this is going to be the hard part. Yeah, because that was busted in half when I got it. Yeah, trying to fix it. If I can't, I'll look in my hoard of junk and see if I can find a carburetor body that can spare this part. But anywho, guys, we're gonna do another generator. This will be part 1, carburetor repair. Yeah, we're gonna call it generator carburetor, something or other. All right, take care. Bye bye.